How to delete a wallpaper on the iPhone 17 series. Okay, first on the home screen, you want to press on the side button to lock it, and this will take you to your lock screen. And on the lock screen, touch and hold. Then enter the passcode. After that, go to the wallpaper pair that you would like to delete. Then we swipe up like this, and then tap on the delete button or the trash icon below, and then tap on delete this wallpaper. So tap on that, and that's it. Once it is deleted, it will revert back to the default. Now you cannot delete the default wallpaper. You can create a new one, but you won't be able to delete the default wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.